Want to revisit your past conversations in the DeepSeek AI app? Whether you're looking for important info or just reviewing old messages, I'll show you exactly how to access your chat history in just a few taps. Open the DeepSeek AI app on your phone and ensure you're logged into your account. Tap the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where all your past conversations are stored. Browse through your chat history, you'll see a list of previous conversations with DeepSeek. Tap on any conversation to open and review past messages, whether from yesterday, last week, or even older. To switch between conversations, open the side menu again and select a different chat. This allows you to navigate between different discussions easily. Now you know how to find and review your past chats in DeepSeek AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. See you in the next one.